Boat. Those are the numbers. Can you count? Say 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 7, 8, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
9.
And then say 10. 10. Good job. Can you clap? Clap, Charlie. Clap. Yay. Oh, scoop. Scoop. Right. Who's driving the truck? Who's that man? Is that, you got a hat? Charlie has a hat. Do you have a hat on your head? Yeah. Scoop. Scoop in the truck. Yeah. What does the truck say? Beep, beep. Okay, good job.